That is better. Greetings one and all. How's everybody doing? I hope well. I'm out here at Raven Camp. All I'm doing today is I'm gonna do some fire. I'm gonna do some fun stuff, and I'm just gonna kick it. I'm not spending the night, unfortunately, but you know, it's I think it's officially spring now, so overnighters should be soon and quickly. You'll be seeing me doing a lot of this sitting because I'm just going to relax a lot today and just kick back and just enjoy the outdoors. I'm going to go check the lean-to, see if the note's been answered. And then I'm going to go get some firewood. And then just go from there. Man, it is absolutely just gorgeous today. My spirits are high, sunny. It's a little chilly, but you know, nothing a nice campfire won't fix. Got a nice comfy chair. Love this REI Flex chair. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 10 for 10 days so far. You hear the gunshots in the background, pretty typical. I actually got some fresh two piles. I think it's either deer or elk. Judging by the size, I want to say elk, but when I turn the camera on, I'm going to turn the camera towards the poo, but I know where I'm setting my trail cam now. I'm definitely going to put it here. So, yeah, we're definitely going to do the trail cam here. So that'll be fun. And then maybe I might start prepping for future camps today if I get to it. If not, wow, I'm already at 2 minutes. All right, well, let's get busy, get to it. So here's the poo. I'm gonna say elk, based on its size. I don't really want to get my hand down there, but it's you know, fairly good sized pellets. So I think deer are smaller, but I'm not a poo expert, so I don't know. I'm sure someone can tell me in the comments. Oh, it looks like elk. I don't think it's bear. I think it's definitely something elk or deer. I'm gonna say elk. And here is poo pile number deuce or dose. Like not far from each other, so here I am. I can't believe I'm excited about seeing poo, but it means I'm going to put the trail cam here for sure. Alright, unfortunately I have proof that someone's been here because they left garbage. They left beer cans and other bottles and other crap, and they also used the fire pit. They can't pack it out. Come on, guys. Sorry, I'm just, and let's see if they answered the note. Laying here on top. Nope, no response. Found your shelter on Christmas Eve. Love it. Great job. Blah, blah, blah. No response. No nothing, but they left garbage. Okay. So I know someone's been here. So they know of this place. So. Why couldn't they pack out their empties though? Come on, guys. People. Good grief. Guess I'll have to clean it up. Alright, I'm going to go do a little off-camera recon. Just take a look around, see if there's anything else different besides the fire pit being used. I'm a little disappointed they didn't answer the note. So. Oh, they left me an unopened cold one. Fortunately, I'm not a drinker, so I'm just going to leave it right where I found it. And I don't drink, so if I was a drinker, I would crack that sucker open. But I'm not, so I won't. Never really had a taste for beer, so. If they left a Monster Energy, I would have already chugged. You know, I find it hard to believe that they didn't see my note because it's been laying right there on top the whole time. So, I don't know. You know, I was thinking about it while I was walking back here, and you know, it might seem like, oh, Mark doesn't want anybody out in the woods. Well, that's not true. I actually encourage people to get out and enjoy the nature. It's just that they left garbage behind, and that just disappoints me. It hits me right here, you know, right in the heart, because it's like, why do that? It's unnecessary. The amount of time and energy it would have taken to carry that out, minimal. I'm going to do it. I'm going to carry out their garbage, and I'm not going to break a leg doing it. I mean, not only did I take the garbage, I took the syrup I left, I took the emergency space blanket I found last time. I'm taking all that out with me. So, you know, I'm going to leave no trace. I mean, fire pit, you know, fine. No one's touched this fire pit, the one that's actually beneath the tripod right now. I just can't believe people leave trash like that. Like, clearly you have an interest in the outdoors, but you don't want to pack it out with you. I don't understand that. So, what are you going to do? It's just sad. It saddens me. I was in a really good mood when I started, but now my mood is just, you know. So, what are you gonna do? Can't let it bring me down though. Okay, keep doing what I'm doing. Sitting here next to two piles of poop. Oh man. Guess I should get busy working. Alrighty. So I had asked on my community tab yesterday if you guys wanted to see a gear dump on every outing. And clearly everybody likes turtles. Yay turtles. But the second highest was yes, and unfortunately for the no's, it was, you know, it came in last. But instead of just sitting here doing a video going, here's this, here's that, because I've done that, I'm just going to go the Corporal's Corner route and just pan over everything so you can see it, and then just move on with the rest of my videos. If you have questions, hey, what was in that bag, you know, what is that, this, and I can either answer it in the comments, or I can do a video and show you closer and maybe explain some of my thought process. So in future videos, all I'm going to do is just do the passover of the gear, and then that'll be it. And that way, if you saw that and you're wondering why I did that, just like, maybe you can reference this video and see. I don't think it's going to be its own video. I'm just going to include this with whatever else I'm doing today. So, let's get to the gear and then we'll get moving on other stuff.